Okay, so let's find out what is heat energy and whether the amount of water is going to affect the amount of heat it has. Okay, to do this, we're going to do the experiment. What is the experiment? The experiment is to deal with eggs. To do this experiment, we're going to put an egg into each of these beakers. Fill one beaker to half the beaker until the water just covers the egg. Okay, you can see that the marking of water is at 150 ml. Fill the other beaker all the way to the brim. There is about 250 ml now. Definitely more water than the other beaker. We're going to leave these 2 eggs in this beaker for 5 minutes and see what happens to the 2 eggs after 5 minutes. Which egg do you think will be more cooked? The beaker with less water or the egg in the beaker with more water? So let's see which egg will be more cooked. Let's take out the egg from the beaker with more water first. And pour a bit of water. I'm going to crack the egg. This is the egg in the beaker with more water. Now let's take a look at the egg with less water. Let's take it out. Let's pour away the water. And now let's crack the egg. Now can you see any difference in the egg? Which egg is more cooked? Which egg has more egg white in it that's clearer, as you can see from the top? This is the egg that is from the beaker with less water, and this is the egg from the beaker with more water. So we're going to put them side by side. Can you compare the amount of egg white that is really white in it? This is the amount, this is the egg that's cooked in the beaker with more water. Can you see that there's more white, egg white that's cooked? Now let's take a look at this. Can you see there's less egg white that's cooked? So there you go. It shows that the more water it is, the more heat energy it has to cook the egg. So there you go.